So good morning everyone, my name is Saket Raj and I am a student of final year in Hospitality and Hotel Management, and today I am participating in this Korean food fest which is named Kimchi Food Fest, and my entry dish would be Da King Jong, and in English it is said Korean fried chicken. So let's start. Ingredient we need to make this dish which is Da King Jong Korean fried chicken are as follows. For making sauce, we need tomato ketchup, we need chili sauce, we need vinegar, we need rice syrup, but we don't have it right now, so we are using an alternative which is honey. The purpose of using rice syrup is to just add sweetness and shine, and the honey will serve almost same purpose. Then we need salt for seasoning, and for frying the chicken, we need cornstarch, we need black pepper, and we need brown sugar. Brown sugar will be added in salt, and the most important ingredient, which is chicken, as the name says, Korean fried chicken. And also will require garlic, dried red chilies, and ginger. Let's start making our chicken. First we'll chop some ginger and garlic that needs to be added in the chicken. Chop it as fine as you can, because if it will be in big size it might come in your mouth, and the finer the size the more the flavor it will release in the chicken, and it won't come in your mouth as bite, but you will get the flavor. So that is suggested thing. And one more thing, if you are using a knife that is as big as mine, so just be very careful while using it. It might cut your hand very easily. Now that it is done, let's add it to our chicken. So we have added this. Add some salt for seasoning and taste. Add salt according to your taste. And add some black pepper. Not much, only a bit, and it should be crushed in order, as you can see in here. So now that you can see, we have added ginger, garlic and salt in the chicken. Now we have to mix it. So let's give it a really good mix. And after we have mixed everything together, just pick up a piece and cover it in cornstarch. Covering it in cornstarch gives us a benefit that it will give a good crunch and a crusty layer on the outside of the chicken. So just take a piece one by one, or you can do it all together if you have much more cornstarch than me, and cover it, then put it here. So as you can see now, we have coated our chicken really well from the cornstarch. Now it's time for frying. For frying, take some oil in a wok or frying pan, whatever you have, and heat it. I have already taken some and heated it, so let's start frying. Just add it in the oil little by little, and be careful, the oil is really hot, so make sure it don't splatter in your hand. And for all the home cook who are trying this in their home, if you're afraid that your hand gets burned by the oil, just put it from the side and slide it inside. It will be much safer than the way I am doing it. One by one, add them in the oil. And after you add the chicken in the oil, make sure that after 4 to 5 minutes, you turn the flame from high to medium, so that the outside of the chicken don't get burnt. And keep stirring in between, not much so it will not break, but a little so it won't stick with each other and at the bottom. So now that our chicken has been fried, as you can see, it is dark, it is light brown and really crispy from outside. So now we'll make some sauce. For making our sauce, take some oil in your frying pan or wok, whatever you have. Little more. Turn up the flame so it gets heated. And first we'll add some garlic and some red chilies in it. Roast it really well, and after that we'll add soy sauce in it, then tomato ketchup, chili sauce, and make sure your heat is low, else it will start to burn out. And then at last vinegar. Little more. If you want it tangy, you can add even more. But One thing more, as it will cook, it will get a bit bitter. Because vinegar has acidic acid and it will cook, it will get bitter. If you think it is too thick, as I guess mine is a little bit too thick, add some water accordingly. I'll add only a bit. Not much, just a bit. Give it a stir. And at last, not last, but add some honey. I had to add sugar, rice syrup, but I don't have that one, so I'm using honey instead of rice syrup. And after a smoky flavor will come, at last you have to add brown sugar. As you know, Korean food trademark is a bit of sweet and spicy sort of thing. So brown sugar, then some black pepper, and a bit salt. While adding salt, be careful as soy sauce has already too much salt in it. So don't add too much. I'll add a bit more of brown sugar. Not much, just a pinch. Cook it for a while, like a few seconds. And now when you think sauce is prepared, just add your chicken in it. I'll change my tool here. Now, just give it a good toss. If you're not good at tossing like I did, so just stir it like I am doing right now. And cook it for a few seconds as it is already done. The sauce is prepared, the chicken is already cooked, you just have to coat it and cook it for like few seconds. So as you can see now, our chicken is cooked really well. Now it's time for plate it up. So let's start the plating. So here it is done. Our daikjang, also known as Korean fried chicken. So this is my entry for the Food Fest Kimchi Food Fest. Thank you so much.